Welcome to WinRaise Academy. This is Vinay. Today's topic is all about codeless testing, its pros, cons, and how to decide if it's the right choice for your team. This comprehensive guide will help you weigh the benefits and limitations of adopting codeless testing in your QA process. Let's dive in. Let's Codeless testing is an approach that allows QA teams to create automated test cases without needing to write code. These tools come with visual interfaces, drag and drop functionalities, and pre-built test templates. Codeless testing simplifies the test creation process, enabling non-technical team members to participate and contribute to automation efforts, making the QA process more collaborative. The idea is to remove the coding barrier and make automation more accessible to everyone, ensuring that testing can be scaled without relying solely on skilled developers. This democratization of automation makes it possible to expand your team's capabilities and improve productivity. Let's look at some of the key benefits of codeless testing. Accessibility. Codeless testing tools open up automation to non technical members of your team, making it easier for business analysts and product managers to participate in QA activities. This inclusivity leads to a richer understanding of what needs to be tested and ensures that business requirements are directly translated into test cases. Faster test creation. With drag and drop features and visual interfaces, teams can create tests much faster compared to traditional coding methods. This allows for quicker turnaround times, which is especially valuable in agile and DevOps environments where speed is essential. Reduced learning curve. Unlike coding based test automation, codeless tools don't require extensive training, allowing teams to get up to speed quickly. This can be a game changer for teams that need to scale up their testing efforts but don't have the time or resources to train everyone on complex programming languages. AI powered maintenance. Many codeless tools include AI and ML capabilities that help maintain test scripts and adapt them to UI changes automatically, reducing manual intervention. This feature ensures that tests are always up to date, which minimizes downtime and maximizes test coverage. One of the standout advantages of codeless testing is the improved collaboration it offers. Because these tools don't require programming expertise, team members from different departments can work together seamlessly. Product managers, business analysts, and non technical stakeholders can contribute directly to creating and managing test cases. This collective effort ensures that the test coverage aligns closely with business requirements and enhances the overall quality of the software. This cross functional collaboration also leads to better communication among team members, creating a more integrated workflow that aligns development, QA, and business objectives. Codeless testing tools are designed to boost the speed and efficiency of the testing process. Test creation is quicker because it relies on intuitive, user friendly interfaces. This can significantly shorten development cycles, allowing teams to deliver updates and new features faster. Additionally, automated maintenance features powered by AI mean that your tests require less manual updating, further streamlining the process and reducing the workload on your QA team. The time saved on test creation and maintenance can be reallocated to other critical activities such as exploratory testing and performance monitoring, adding more value to your overall QA strategy. Despite the advantages, codeless testing is not without its limitations. Complex test cases. Codeless tools may struggle with highly complex test scenarios that require advanced logic and customization. For projects that involve conditional testing, loops, or intricate user interactions, these tools might not provide the needed flexibility. Feature limitations. While many tools are robust, They may lack certain features that are essential for specific projects, making it difficult to achieve the desired level of flexibility. Some specialized functionalities like data-driven testing, parameterization, or integration with custom-built systems might require additional workarounds. Scalability concerns. For large projects with extensive test suites, codeless tools can become less efficient and may require supplementary coding or scripting. This means that while they work well for small to medium projects, scaling to enterprise level applications may reveal performance bottlenecks. Learning the interface. While these tools reduce the coding requirement, there can still be a learning curve associated with mastering the tool's interface and functionalities. Teams may need time to familiarize themselves with tool specific workflows and best practices to maximize their use. Apart from the inherent limitations, codeless testing comes with challenges that teams should be prepared for. One key challenge is tool dependency. Codeless tools often rely on their own ecosystems, which can create vendor lock in. This means that transitioning to a different tool or integrating it with other specialized testing tools can be complex and time consuming. Additionally, while many codeless tools offer integrations, they may not fit seamlessly into all tech stacks or CI CD pipelines. Customization can also be challenging. Teams that require highly tailored solutions might find codeless tools restrictive. For instance, integrating specific plugins or custom APIs might be limited or require additional coding support, partially defeating the codeless intent. Codeless testing is best suited for certain scenarios. It's ideal for rapid prototyping and MVPs. When you need to create automated tests quickly to support fast releases, codeless tools can help achieve this without extensive setup time. Teams with mixed skill sets. Codeless tools enable non technical team members to contribute to the QA process, fostering collaboration and shared responsibility for quality. Repetitive regression testing. Automating repetitive test cases is more efficient with codeless tools, freeing up your QA engineers to focus on more complex test scenarios. However, if your project requires complex test logic or extensive customization, it might be wise to combine codeless testing with traditional coded automation. Hybrid approaches can leverage the strengths of both methods, offering flexibility while maintaining simplicity for standard test cases. To make the most out of codeless testing, follow these best practices. Start with simple tests. Begin by automating basic test cases to get familiar with the tool's interface. This helps build confidence and allows the team to understand the tool's capabilities before scaling up. Combine with manual testing. Use codeless testing for routine checks and complement it with manual or coded testing for complex scenarios. This ensures that your testing strategy is both efficient and comprehensive. Regularly update test cases. Ensure your tests stay relevant by reviewing and updating them periodically. Applications evolve, and so should your test cases to avoid failures and false positives. Train your team. Even if the tool is user friendly, proper training will help your team leverage its full capabilities. Familiarize your team with not just the basics, but also advanced features like AI based test maintenance and integration options. A mid sized tech company integrated codeless testing into their QA strategy to meet rapid development timelines. By using a tool with AI powered maintenance, they were able to reduce test creation time by 50%. Non technical team members, such as business analysts, also participated in the test creation process, broadening the QA team's capabilities. This collaborative approach led to better coverage and faster feedback, helping the company maintain high quality standards. The flexibility and ease of use allowed them to adapt their testing strategy quickly as new features were added, illustrating how codeless testing can be an asset in a fast paced development environment. Determining if codeless testing is right for your team depends on several factors. Team expertise. If your team has limited coding knowledge, codeless testing can empower more members to contribute. This can be particularly beneficial for smaller teams that need to maximize productivity with limited resources. Project complexity. If your project involves straightforward test cases, codeless tools are a great fit. However, for complex scenarios with advanced logic, combining codeless with traditional coded testing may be more effective. Budget and tool availability. Consider whether your budget allows for investing in codeless tools that offer comprehensive features. Also, check for tool compatibility with your existing tech stack and processes. Development speed. For projects that require rapid prototyping and quick iterations, codeless tools can be invaluable due to their ease of use and quick deployment. The future of codeless testing looks promising. With continuous advancements in AI and machine learning, the ability of codeless tools to handle more complex scenarios will only improve. Features like self healing scripts, which adapt to UI changes automatically, are becoming more sophisticated, reducing the need for manual updates. We can also expect better predictive analytics that will help in smarter test case selection and improved coverage. Enhanced DevOps integrations are making continuous testing more seamless, contributing to a smoother development pipeline. These trends indicate that codeless testing will continue to evolve as an integral part of modern QA practices. To sum up, codeless testing offers a way to simplify automation and open it up to non technical team members, making it easier to create and maintain test cases. It's ideal for quick test creation and collaborative testing environments. However, it comes with limitations, such as handling complex test cases and potential scalability issues. Following best practices, such as starting with simple tests and combining codeless with manual or coded testing, can help maximize its benefits. Understanding your project's unique requirements will guide you in determining if codeless testing is a good fit. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the pros and cons of codeless testing. If you found this content helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert content from Winrace Academy. Stay tuned for more videos that help you master software testing strategies. See you next time.